Nice go, kid. I like that. That's only the third cast or so. Got him stuck pretty good. Giant, but he's about... All right. It's all right. We'll take that to start.
Followed it for a while too. I think you stretch the line out a little.
Slow one screw out here. Get them wound up. Get them moving so we can see where they are.
I think that'll fish again.
Leader all right?
Check one. You got a hold of me, my addiction slowly choking me, yeah. To my eyes pop and the bloodshot, life is punk rock. Just let me go. No, cause you won't let me, so I won't let you forget me. Let's see, I'ma kick this shit to you directly. After that, make like you never met me. Fuck this, I'm destructive. Stick around and you're pressing your luck, bitch. And I'm willing to start killing. What more can I say? That's living, that's what I got. You got it good, and since it's understood, could you stop scheming? I'm not fucking off it. All I wanna do is tornadoes in the mouth, bitch. Just let me go. Let me, just let me go. Let me go. Let me just. Sorry, you need to calm down. I don't want to. You can't make me. I simply go wherever music takes me. You can hate me, agitate me, but never should you underestimate me. No, oh, I refuse to be knocked down. I got the cycle and lockdown. I'm going all out with the deranged flow. Don't think I might, cause I'm ready to go.
I don't know if I got that one, man.